Passage 3. Why can't the rain stop? Comprehension questions. Some of the questions in this section are inferential. Use the passage for information to help you answer them. The last two questions can be answered from information in your head. Question 1. Why did the child feel like crying?
We scan the passage to spot the words crying or sad. Hey, there it is in stanza 3. So we read stanza 3 carefully to see why the child feels like crying. The poem shows that the rain has prevented the child from playing and doing all the activities that could be usually done. It also shows that the child is sad because of this and is hoping for the rain to go. These are the context clues which will help us answer the question.
You can write your answer like this. The child felt like crying because the rain stopped her from playing and having fun outside. Question 2. In the passage, the child felt like doing different activities. What were some of the activities?
Note that this is a direct question, so the answers can be found directly in the passage. Let's scan through the poem to spot some activities. Ah, there they are in stanzas 4, 5 and 6. Since these are activities that you would do when it is not raining, we know that these are the answers.
So the answer could read, some of the activities that the child felt like doing were running, jumping, hopping, and going up the hill to see friends. Question 3. Describe the mood of the poem.
When you are asked to state the mood, the answer is not given directly, so we have to be a detective and would look for clues. The clues will help us decide how the poet feels about the people, places, or things being written about. This is what we call the mood of the poem. The answer to question 1, why the poet, which is the child, feels like crying, could help us answer this question. Let's look back to what we underlined. We see that the poet or child feels like crying because she is sad. The child is hoping for the rain to go. This reflects disappointment and sadness. Stanzas 4, 5 and 6 lists all the things the child could be doing which reflect regret or sadness.
Using these clues, the answer could then read, the mood of the poem is one of sadness. Question 4. What are some things you could do when it is raining?
This question prompts students to think about themselves or reflect on suitable indoor activities.
Therefore, your answer could be, some things that I could do when it is raining are reading, drawing, painting, art and crafts, baking, listening to music, playing video games, or watching television. Question 5. Why is it unsafe to play in the rain?
Again, this question encourages you to think about reasons why, what could happen if you play in the rain.
So, you can write your answer like this. When you play in the rain, you could get sick with the cold or the flu. You could also slip and fall on wet, hard surfaces and be injured. Question 6. Why do we need rain?
Think about what rain is. Why do we need water? What would happen if plants and animals or people did not get water? Think about our country. What happens when we do not get water at home? What are some uses of water? Drinking, cooking, bathing, and washing.
Your answer can therefore be: we need rain as a source of water to help us grow food, cook, quench our thirst, and for hygienic purposes such as washing, cleaning, and bathing.
Passage 3. Why can't the rain stop? Number 2. Our two seasons. Caribbean countries have two seasons, the dry and wet seasons. Use the list below to identify the things that can be noticed in each one. Write them in the correct column in the table below. Here is your list of words to use to identify the two seasons. Flooding, rough seas, abundance of mosquitoes, umbrellas, overcast skies, storm warnings. Hurricanes, leaking roofs, dried grass, snow cones, thunder, wilting flowers. Bushfires, construction, hiking, landslides, lightning, drought.